today I am going to cut my bangs. It's been a while since I've cut them. As you can see, they've grown all the way to the bottom, and I told myself that I was going to grow them and never cut them again, but I always find myself coming back to cutting them, so I'm going to try and cut them. I did cut them by myself before, and it was kind of a disaster because I kind of cut too much. Like, I cut way from up here, so I had like this bowl of hair, if that makes sense. Like, it just looked like a bowl was placed on my forehead, so it was not cute at all. Today I'm going to try to cut my hair, like my bangs, in like a wispy way, like not too prominent, if that makes sense. So hopefully I don't ruin my hair again, and we'll see how this goes. Okay, so I'm actually really nervous, but I saw this girl cutting her hair and she put like a little triangle front, like a little one. Okay, there's one. And there's number 2. Is it too much? I'm so paranoid. I'm so paranoid because, like I said last time, I cut like from all the way over here to the front and it did not look cute whatsoever. So I think that would be enough, right? Is it like a lot? Okay, no. Let's just go for it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so whew. Okay. Oh, there's no more going back. I actually okay. I'm actually really nervous. This is a cute look. I can go for this. Let's just cut a little more. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going right now. I am pretty nervous about it, so I'm gonna go ahead and style them how I would and then see how much I want to cut more if I do, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. I feel like I should probably cut them a little shorter because my eyes are getting stabbed. Gonna cut them a little shorter to see how it goes. Besides this part in the middle that I have here, my hair's not used to being like all towards the front, but I think I can fix that. For the side pieces, all you do is follow the same triangle, but grab another piece. Just following the same triangle, grab another piece from the sides. Just grab my hair to the back. Okay, so we're going to comb it and then follow that bang right there. So I think I grabbed too much on this side. I don't know how to do this side. Okay, how do I do this side? Maybe I should be a left-handed person today. Probably not the best idea. Not too bad for my left hand, but I still need I need to even it out. Okay, so I think I've achieved the desired length and the desired cut. I just need like 5, maybe 4 days for them to get accustomed to being like not parted in the middle. I think I'm done with it. The final results, I think they look okay for a DIY. So far, I'm digging it. Alright, well, that's how I cut my bangs, and thank you for watching.